How to fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Instagram on your device and further force quit the app by simply swiping up and force quitting the app. Make sure that while force quitting the app, go ahead and force quit all the apps running in the background. Once force quitted, go ahead and reopen the app and see if that fixes your issue. If not, then go ahead and check your internet connection. So, launch the settings application on your device and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram and make sure the Instagram application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then go ahead and in your home screen tap hold on the Instagram application. Further, you will see the option for remove app. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option you see there. Further, tap on delete again, and once deleted, reinstall the app as this will help in clearing the cache and refreshing the app. See if that fixes your issue or not, and if not, then open settings on your device and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, make sure your iPhone is not full with that storage, and if yes, then go ahead and try keeping at least 2 to 3 GB data free. See if that helps. If not, then open Instagram and then tap on your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Further scroll down to the bottom, then you will see the option for log out. Log yourself out as sometimes your session token gets funky. Once logged out, you can go ahead and log back in. You can also try to switch accounts, as if you have multiple accounts, go ahead and swap to another one, and if the reels load here, then your main account's feed data might be stuck. See if that helps, and if not, then in Instagram again, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right and then tap on the menu option on the top right of your screen. Further, go ahead and tap on the media quality option you see there, and then go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for use less cellular data. And if that does not fix your issue too, then go ahead and restart your iPhone, as restarting your iPhone helps in clearing temporary processes that can break video playback. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Reels black screen problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.